My name is Matt from Easy Test Pools, and today we are in our Derry, New Hampshire store location with April from Latham Pools. April, thanks for being here today.
And thank you for having me here today.
So April, one of the focus points about fiberglass pools is speed of installation. When you compare fiberglass pools, which is a couple of days up to 5 or 10 days, versus like a gunite, which you're kind of at the mercy of the pool installer. It can be 6 weeks, 8 weeks, plus. A fiberglass pool really allows you to get to that swimming time, get to those special family times, quicker than some other models.
Absolutely. One of the large benefits is the fiberglass pool. We can have it in the ground in a couple of days. Depending on your finishes, you can be swimming within a week. And like you said, vinyl liner pools, they do take weeks, and gunite pools can take months.
Right.
And we are actually poised here in the Northeast that we have models stocked and available and ready to go. To give you the option, you can be swimming, early this summer, and you can have weeks
Right.
this year to enjoy your pool instead of having to wait and carry it on either into the early fall or late.
Right. So I know that a lot of our crew, especially our head pool builder, has decades of fiberglass pool installation experience. So I think it really does come down to, yes, it's one layer is ease of installation, but then the other layer would be experience and adhering to best practices, and getting that done in an efficient, timely manner. So again, my name is Matt, and if you wanted to reach out to me to get the pool conversation started, my cell phone is 603-453-2845, or you could click on the link below and fill out the form on one of our brand new redone website pages. Thank you so much for watching.